If you're watching this video, I assume you must have already heard of waste decomposer by now. Before I start with the video, I would like to thank Dr. Kishan Chandra and his team from National Center of Organic Farming for this, for developing this amazing product. And also special thanks to Satya Shankar Bhatt, a former friend of ours who introduced me to this waste decomposer and helped me procure two bottles of this waste decomposer starter culture. It comes in this box. This video will be in two parts. The first part will be about me introducing you to what a waste decomposer solution is and its benefits. And the second part will be me showing you how I prepared this waste decomposer solution in our farm. It's over here. So if you want to skip to the part where I prepare, I'll leave the timeline in the description below. Hey, this is Bharat, your weekend farmer. Let's begin with the video. What is waste decomposer solution? It's a solution containing high number of beneficial bacteria like phosphate solubilizing bacteria, phosphor solubilizing bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Then we have Pseudomonas, then we have Acidobacter. It's like lots of bacteria in there which is highly beneficial for our soil and for the plants. To put it in a simple term, it contains all the bacteria that is required in the soil to extract the nutrients and provide it to the plants so that they grow well. So over the period of time, it improves the soil quality and the texture and also improve the growth and development of the plants in our farm. Remember one thing, it's not a complete replacement for the fertilizer you already use. It just contains the bacteria which assist you in the process of gaining those nutrients in the soil. So if you are already using organic fertilizer, continue to use it and use this as an additive to it. This ensures that the nutrients are extracted and readily available for the plants. And the presence of bacteria like Pseudomonas, so these are mainly used for biocontrol. It helps in preventing certain types of plant infections. So one more thing to keep in mind is that these kind of waste decomposer solutions are only beneficial and work only when you use organic type of fertilizer. If you introduce this waste decomposer and over that if you start using chemical fertilizers, it will in turn kill these bacteria. So if you are into organic farming, this is highly recommended. And if you are using chemical fertilizer, I don't think it will benefit you, because the chemicals used in those fertilizers will eventually kill these bacteria, which will be a waste of efforts. And for the details of various tests made on this waste decomposer solution, you can check the videos made by Dr. Kishan Chandra in his YouTube channel. He has beautifully explained them. So if you are interested in that, you can go check his channel. He has beautifully explained how the different types of tests are formed and the different kinds of bacteria, and it's beautifully done. So I recommend you go and watch it. These are the two main ingredients, 2 kg of jaggery and waste decomposer starter culture. So let's, this is 200 liters of water. I have taken roughly 200 liters of water. So let's begin mixing the content. First I will add this 2 kg of jaggery to this container. So, next is adding this waste decomposer. Let's have a closer look at the packing. This is the waste decomposer from Siddhi Bio. They have given the instruction of use and they have recommended minimum 70% of water for spraying. And this is the starter culture. It's jelly-like substance. They have recommended not to touch the content of the box with direct hands. So I'm using this wooden sticks to mix the culture. First I'll finely grind them. So mixing the contents. So it's ready. Now I'll be adding it. We have added all the contents into this container. Now to stir the container, make sure to use a wooden stick, because if you use metal or iron rods, the chances are that rust might get transferred to this solution. Since this solution is highly sensitive, chances of contamination are very high. So make sure you don't use metal rods or any things which might transfer the contaminants to this solution. So better use wooden sticks. So I'm using this long wooden stick to stir the container. This is to ensure that the jaggery which we have added and the waste decomposer starter culture gets mixed thoroughly. So this is how the initial mixture looks like. You can see the light color of the jaggery is visible in the solution. This is day one. We'll let it settle for today. This is the third batch of waste decomposer solution I am preparing. What I learned from my previous experience is that this solution attracts flies, which in turn attracts lizards. So what happened in the second batch is that a lizard had fallen and it had contaminated the solution completely. After day 2, I didn't see much changes in the solution, so I thought it was of no good, so I had to discard it completely. So this time I'm not taking that chance, so I'll be covering this with the sack and I'll make sure I tie it properly. So this is how I'm planning to cover, to ensure that nothing falls into the solution and contaminates. Since I'm preparing this in the open farm, chances of lizards or any other flies coming and falling into this are very high. So the container is secured. Chances of anything getting in is little low. So this is day 1. Let's see the changes we find in the solution in the day 2. This is day 2. We can see a thin layer of froth is already formed. One thing we need to do is we have to stir the mixture daily at least once. So now what I'm going to do is I'll mix this mixture thoroughly. It helps in mixing oxygen to this solution, so it helps the bacteria grow better. So let's mix the solution. We are done mixing. Let's cover this up and see the changes tomorrow. And the solution is ready now. Nothing much has changed from day 4. We can see the thick froth formation on the top, and if you watch closely, the bubbles are like small bubbles are bursting. This is due to high bacterial activity. This solution has a pleasant smell, somewhere close to fermented jaggery. So that's a indication that the solution is ready, and the solution is right. I mean, nothing wrong with the solution. Usually if you get a bad smell or see any mosquito growth or unpleasant or irregular colors like darker shades of gray or near to black or something like red, it means that the solution is contaminated and it's not proper. So for now, if you have a closer look, we can see this solution has the color recommended and it has the pleasant fermented smell. So this solution is ready for use. One thing which I observed is the solution forms quicker during summers. I mean, this was almost ready in day 4. I feel the bacterial activity is high and in favorable of it when the temperature is warm, as like summer now. I usually prepare this solution over the weekdays. Usually I start it in the Monday or the Sunday evening, because so that it gets ready by weekends when I'm actually free to use it. So this is now ready. I'll use this over the weekend and start preparing the next batch on either on Sunday evening or Monday morning, so that it will be ready by next weekend. I'm planning to make a series of videos on the applications of waste decomposer solution. It's like a master solution with multiple uses. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch the upcoming videos. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your farmer friends who might benefit from this. If you have any question regarding today's video, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to answer them for you. That's all for today's video. Thank you for being in the farm with me today. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.